Welcome to Technical Mixoy. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a professional and perfect logo in a simple way. So let's start the video. Keep watching. If you like, subscribe.
First, go to Play Store and download Canva app from Play Store. It's a very good app and very easy to use. You can check its description. $10 million downloads. Simply open Canva app. Open templates and select logo features. Click on logo. Then select all. You can select according to your choice. I will select logo. Then click on design you want. You can modify it. Click on edit. Then click on Gimmo logo and delete it from upper button. Then search a illustration for logo you want. Every type. I will select home. Then select the Gimmo logo of your interest. Here you can change its color and modify according to your choice. It's very easy. I will select that home logo. You can change its color. It's very easy. Click on that logo. Here you can change its color. You can modify it as well. So I will select green and blue and pink. Then I will select text. It's very simple to use, so that's a way to make a simple logo. You can make it according to your interest, so it's a very good app. You can use it. It has a lot of tools to use. amazing app. You can select font of your choice. I will select Electron Heavy. It's up to you how to use it. When your logo is ready, then click on download button. You can save it to gallery and share to other platforms as well. So that's the topic for today. If you like, then subscribe and type comment below.